everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share about the basics of sewing. The first step here is to understand your machine. Your machine might have come with guide or a manual, so make sure that you go over it thoroughly so that you don't miss any parts of your sewing machine. Here are some parts that you need to know. This is a spool pin. My thread is already there. This is the spool pin. This is the thread guide. You see 1, 2, 5, 3 and 4. This is the thread guide. You can follow this to thread your sewing machine. This is the tension dial. Usually it's set on 4, but it depends upon the fabric you are sewing. Then this is the needle, the presser foot and the bobbin case. Inside it there is bobbin. This is the stitch length. You can adjust it accordingly. Common length lies between 2.5 or 3 and the fourth one is the largest. It is used for gathering the fabrics. Thread. First it goes in this, then here, tying up using wheel, then inserted it here, carefully come down again and take it to insert it, see, and then hold it again like this and insert it here in this socket. Okay, I'll show you once again. Hold your thread with the other hand and insert it like this. That's it. Tool which comes down from here, this. Move it up, what down. This. Push it down. The next is how you can stitch in a straight line. As you can see, there are certain numbers or certain measurement indications on this plate. You can follow the fabric. You can follow them and keep the fabric on the specific line in the seam length you want. Or if you are not comfortable doing this, you can draw a straight line with a pencil or a chalk and then follow them. This is not a water soluble pen, but I am doing it because this is a rough fabric. If you use a water soluble pen, it will dissolve when you wash the fabric. If you use a heat soluble pen, it will dissolve when you press the fabric. And if you decide to use chalk, you can just simply dust it away, or it will simply go when you wash the fabric. Edges, the endings. So the basic is to fold the fabric once and then once again and then stitch. It is highly recommended that you press the seams because it will be easier for you to define it and to sew it easily. Fold it and press it, hold it again, press it again, and then stitch along this edge, the right edge, not this edge. You have to stitch along this edge. Okay, be careful. edges first. Complete. Now let's see how we can complete a circular hem like in circle skirts or in capes. You have to do this stitch closer to this edge, the right edge, because at the end this has to be trimmed. Do this stitch as possible. Now you have to stitch closer to the left edge, this edge. When you press it, it will lay down flat more beautifully. Initially I started with trousers in the darkest shade of black, which was absolutely not a good choice and I do not recommend it. So you can go with pillowcases, simple tops, bodice patterns, fabric bookmarks, all the garments or all the project which include straight stitches. You can go with that. You can start with them. They won't give you the trauma which I got by making trousers in black color. Make sure that it's a light colored heavy fabric, preferably cotton, so it would be easier for you to begin with. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, so don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I'll see you in the next video.